This is Tanya. I teach 10th Maths. As you guys know, I have a sister, Tina Lofus. She teach 8th Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 14, Statistics, Exercise 14.1, first question. So we are starting off with a new chapter, that is Statistics. Okay. So in this chapter, it is based on mean, median, mode, those stuffs and all. So if you understand the formulas, it will be easy to solve it. Okay. Alright. So now let us read the question. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of the environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the number of plants per house. Okay, so here some group of students they are just conducting kind of like a environment awareness program. Okay, so they are collecting data like in this particular house how many plants are there, like that we are supposed to collect the data. Okay, so here they mentioned that in 20 houses, wait one second, yeah, so there are a lot of number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the number of plants. They didn't mention how many plants are there in 20 houses. Okay, so we are supposed to find it. So here we have a data, so number of plants, so 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10 and 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. Number of houses 1. So here they have mentioned for this much we have 1 and this much plants for we have 2, but they didn't mention exact number. They have mentioned like this only. Okay, so these are all number of plants and these are all number of houses. That means in this one house there are this much plant, so they are just representing that. Okay, so now let us draw the table, to solve it. Okay guys, so here I just drew the table. So when you just look at this table, so the number of plants they have mentioned 0 to 2, 2 to 4, like that, isn't it? They didn't mention the exact number of plants, so we are supposed to find exact number of plants. Okay, alright. So here we just took this as class mark. So remember guys, so whenever we have like this dash, like this numbers, take it as class mark. Okay, and these values here take it as Fi. Okay, frequency. Fi means frequency. Okay, alright, so I just wrote it as it is. So now what I am going to do is I am going to solve it by Xi formula. Okay, so what is the formula for Xi? So I will write it here. So mean x bar is equal to sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi. Okay guys, so now we are going to be finding the xi value. Okay, so I'll write here xi. So how to find the xi? I'll write here. Okay, so upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. This is the formula for finding the xi. Okay, so here they are talking about upper limit and lower limit. What is the meaning of upper limit and lower limit? So here when you just look at the class mark, now let us take the first one, that is 0 to 2. Okay, so here what is the upper limit? So the upper limit is 2, isn't it? And the lower limit is 0. How can I say upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 0? Just take it as greatest number, smaller number. Okay, so 2 is the greatest number and 0 is the smallest number. Okay, so here we are supposed to add them. So 2 plus 0 is 2, isn't it? And then we are supposed to divide it with 2. So 2 divided by 2, what is the answer guys? So the answer is 1, isn't it? So the answer is 1. Okay, so likewise we should do till the end. Okay, so here to find the next xi value, so here we are going to be using the same formula till the end. Okay, so in this complete chapter we are going to be using this formula. Okay, so here they are talking about upper limit plus lower limit. So here which is the upper limit? So the upper limit is 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6, isn't it? And then we have divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, alright. So likewise when we just do we can write, we will get 5 here, 7 here and 9. You have to try it. Okay, then only you'll get to know. So statistics, no, it is really an easy lesson. You can score 5 marks in this lesson, okay. So please never lose that chance for scoring 5 marks, okay. Alright, so here most probably they used to ask statistics in 5 mark question, that's why I am saying that it is for 5 mark, okay. Sometimes they might ask for 2 mark, who knows. So be prepared for everything, okay. Alright, so okay, so now I just wrote it till here, okay. So here now we got the xi value, okay. So here according to the formula I want sigma fi xi. So here we have fi xi, isn't it? So I want to find fi xi value. That is the reason I just wrote xi, right. So to use this formula only I just wrote xi value. Why? Because we have fi value, no, xi value. So what is the meaning of this fi and xi? So fi means frequency, okay. So frequency into xi. Do you guys think that it is into? Of course. So here we have, one second, I'll write here. So fi into xi, isn't it? It is somewhat like this. So here remember guys, so here the fi is these values, xi is these values, okay. So we are supposed to multiply 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 3 it is 6 and 1 5 is 5 and 5 7s are it is 35 and 6 9s are it is 54 and 2 into 11 is 22 and 13 into 3 is 39, okay. So now let us add these, okay. So now when we just add them, no, I'll write here. So I'll write total here, okay. So the presentation is also really important in the exam, okay. So just put the line and write total, okay. I am not just doing that now, but I am just guiding you guys to say that, okay. So please never forget to put the line properly, okay. Then only you can get extra marks. Sometimes you might get extra marks, otherwise if you put it wrongly, you know, you might lose your marks as well, okay. Alright, so here when we just add them we'll get 162, okay, after adding it, okay. So what is the value? This 162 is the answer for fi xi. Why? Because when we added it only we got 162, right, okay. Alright, so here no frequency also let us add. So when we just add frequency, no, we'll get 20. So now you guys might be wondering, one second, I'll just draw a line for your difference. Okay guys, so here now you guys might be wondering, why did I add frequency? Why? Because according to the formula I want fi value as well as fi xi, okay. So sigma don't need to bother about it, okay. So it is just for a representation, okay. Alright, so here fi xi value is 162 and fi value is 20, okay. So now let us solve it. So this is the formula, right. So let us substitute the values. I'll do it here, okay. Okay, so what is the value for sigma fi xi? So first let's write the x bar as it is, and the value for sigma fi xi is 162, isn't it? 162 and divided by, what is the value for sigma fi? So sigma fi, so here we have fi, the value is 20, so 20, okay. So now we are gonna divide it, okay. If you wanna cancel you can cancel, if you wanna divide you can divide, okay. So when we just divide it we'll get 8.1. So this is gonna be our answer, okay. So the how many number of plants are there? 8.1 number of plants are there, okay. So this is the answer, okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment it in the comment section.